Today, I'm going to show you how to score the best hammock deal of the season for under 20 bucks. It holds 450 pounds of weight, and you could bet I tested it. No, not just with me. Don't worry about that. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I'm here to advocate for you, find you the best deals. If you like this content, please subscribe, turn your notifications on, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to show you some tests of this hammock with some very important people in my life, including my sweetheart. But more importantly, if you are watching right now and you're wondering, well, how does this all work? Where do I find all the deals? I'm going to show that to you. mattsdailydeals.com is where I have you covered. And the reason I keep sending you back to my website is not only so you'll join my email newsletter and save more money. I send you here not only because I use affiliate links and I benefit monetarily if you're kind enough to use my links. Many of the links I have built-in coupon codes. And I want to show you how this would work. So if you go to my latest deals and you click on the hammock sleeping bed, when you click from my site, you're going to score a price of $19.99 as you click through to the merchant. If you were to just go to the merchant on your own, that same hammock is $69.99. So what do I like about the hammock? I'm going to show it to you in person, but first, the hammock is a sleeping bed swing. So it goes beyond your typical hammock. It has a nice carrying case. It is comfortable, it is durable, and it can handle more weight than any hammock in its price range with a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. So I put it to the test. We sat in the hammock. And not only was this a great way to strengthen our already strong relationship, but the durability tied to the hammock is a testament not only to the strength of this deal, but how it holds up with not just two people in it, but when you just keep adding people. Left, right, and center, it provided not only a comfortable hammock swing, but if you've ever had trouble getting in and out of a hammock because it wavers so much, this is not a hammock where you have that issue. I'm telling you right now, for $19.99, this is not only the best deal, but the best product in its class. So if you do want to check it out, mattsdailydeals.com is where I have you covered. You can swing into savings, swing into summer, and then more importantly, spend time with the people that you care about most. It's great with an e-reader. It's good with a tablet. You could just kick back and listen to your favorite music if you want other headphone deals and music subscription services and ways to make the most of your surroundings. mattsdailydeals.com is where I have you covered. So have fun, stay safe. I'll see you soon.